Hello viewers, welcome to Crunch Point channel. Today we are going to see how to make a beautiful 3D pyramid in PowerPoint. For that, first we have to make a rectangle shape. Now we are going to make it in the ratio of 2:2. Now it is a square now. We are going to format that shape. Under 3D format, you have to choose the bevel, angle, and the width you have to keep it as 36 and height as 100. Now we are going to 3D rotation. Under preset you have to choose off axis one top and then close it. We can keep it as 1:1 ratio. Now it became a triangle. We can place it at the top and then close it. Now we are going to make copy of it, so we are pressing Ctrl D. Now we are going to make it as 2:2 and keep it behind that and press send to back. Now adjust that and keep it below that and then make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl D and then now 3:3 ratio. Keep it closer and then send to back. Now adjust that. Now again we are going to make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl D. Now send to back and then it's 4:4 ratio now. Now we are going to select all and then align its center. Now we are going to format it. You can give any color or pattern. Now I am going to give it a gradient fill. It's nightfall. Now the color is a dark black in the first and the second it's a lighter black and then now it's again a little more lighter black. Now it's a darker white and then a darker white. Now it's white and this gives a beautiful look. If you like this video, please give a like and share this video. If you are watching Crunch Point for the first time, please subscribe it.